iria mwandikite ti kana ti icege wa Njohi agitinda akirumanirira nayo na agituhaririria. Igongona-inĩ rĩa kanitha wa SDA wa othoo mwena wa Nyando nĩkuo ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la umoja ĩgĩtongorio nĩ mutongoria wa Raila Odinga mambire hema mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ makiarĩria arũmĩrĩri ao na makiria bũrũri wothe.
Erokamano jithua mor. Ana kawuono utieko chokruok.
Atongoria a Azimio nĩ moire kanya kau gukumithia maabitha a borithi nikiria maugite ni uhuthiri wa hinya mukiruku hindi ya mirurungano ciiko iria ciacungĩrĩire ikuũ cia andũ makiria ma 70 na angĩ kũgurario o ta ũrĩa maratarĩria.
These are basically excuses to kill Kenyans in cold blood. And he must say no.
Jana tumekuwa Bondo kuzika wengi ambao waliwawa. Karibu watu 11. Tukimaliza kuzika Western leo Vihiga County, siku ya Jumanne tunaelekea Ukambani. Kule kwa Kalonzo pia kuna watu waliwawa
who have been killed by the police from May up to now over the demonstrations. As we speak, the number that we have confirmed is 72.
Onake inspekta genaral wa borithi japheth koome ndanerisha ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ ya Atongoria ya makiuga atĩ ndabatie gũkorwo wabici-inĩ nĩ kwaga kũigĩrĩrĩka wĩra-inĩ wake na magathiĩ na mbere na kũria kĩhoto kĩa arĩa mahutirio nĩ ciĩko icio kĩoneke.
Tumesema huyu mtu anaitwa Koome lazima akome kuwa IG wa Kenya sababu hafai kuwa kwenye hiyo ofisi.
Kwa hivyo wabunge wale wako hapa na nimeona wabunge wako hapa chap kama mama Abui Oros, uende bungeni upeleke mswada, tunataka huyo Koome aende nyumba. Nana naunga mkono Koome aende nyumbani.
Because you've killed innocent people, you're going to shout at the top of your voice in another part of the country and you're purporting to be a leader of a country.
Kanitha onayo nĩ ũrĩtio kũigĩrĩrĩka wĩra-inĩ wayo na makiria harĩ kũmũrĩka ihoto cia mũingĩ na njĩra ya kũmatetera hatarĩ kwĩgiritania na mwena o wothe wa kĩũteti.
If the church cannot condemn the killing of Kenyans by police, 72 counting, then we start getting very worried about the church. If the church was to do what is expected of them by the Bible, we will not be here where we are.
And yet in this statement of the religious community, nothing of the sort is being mentioned. We would have expected the church, at the very least, to demand that Mr. Koome withdraws those unfortunate remarks, because they remain very un-Christian. Oh, come on. So we don't want these knee-jerk reactions. We want to plead with the church that please speak out. Speak out, even if a good part of you has already gone to bed with the regime in power.
Andũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV rĩakwa nĩ Cege wa Njohi. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno mũndũ ũgwĩtwo ti Cege wa